Usekela sosiba weSAMWU Dumisane Magagula uthi lo masipala ukumekwe imbi nengancubisiyo kwaphela kwaye nenkonzo aziye eluntwini.
The municipality is in dire straits. This is one of the municipalities that has been paying salaries of employees late. They have failed to implement the salary wage collective agreement, but underlying is that the municipality is failing to deliver services to the communities.
iSAMWU ibhenela ezinkundleni ngelinyanzelisa kuba lo masipala abekwe phantsi kolawulo.
We have now come to resolve to take the municipality to court together with the provincial government to have the court compel provincial government to put this municipality under administration. And we have learned from the case in Makana that the court will rule in our favor.
iSAMWU ayivume kwangoku kuba abasebenzi abaninzi kulo masipala bakunobangela ukuba ube sezingxakini zezimali.
We cannot say from the air that the structure is bloated. There needs to be a proper investigation.
Usodolophu lo masipala umnumzana Khanyile Maneli ubalule ingxaki ezijongene lo masipala.
The current municipal manager conducted a diagnostic analysis, and a diagnostic report revealed that there are 7 key cost drivers. The recategorization of the municipality from a category 6 to a category 7 as per salary scales set out by the bargaining council. This happened in 2014-2015 financial year. I will indicate when I talk about the salary bill increase, that jump of the salary bill.
Nangona kunjalo umnumzana Maneli uthi kuzafuneka baphinde bahlale phansi neSAMWU ngale miba.
And